In this video, I will help you find the best DJ headphones for beginners in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones, best for sensitivity. When I first tried the Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones, I was immediately impressed by their exceptional sensitivity, setting them apart as a top choice for DJs seeking unparalleled sound precision. The clarity and accuracy of the audio reproduction were remarkable, allowing me to hear even the most nuanced details in my music. The closed-back design provided excellent noise isolation, immersing me fully in the music without any distractions from the outside world. The lightweight and comfortable fit made long hours of wearing them a breeze during my DJ sets, ensuring I could focus solely on my performance. Moreover, the detachable single-sided cable added to the convenience, allowing me to move freely without getting tangled up. The high sensitivity of these headphones not only enhanced the sound quality but also made them compatible with a wide range of audio devices. Whether I was in a loud DJ booth or a quiet studio, the Sennheiser HD25 headphones delivered exceptional sound accuracy, making them an indispensable tool for any DJ looking to elevate their craft. At number 4, we have Pioneer DJ HDJ CE1 headphones, best for budget. Impressed by the sensitivity and sound precision of the Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones, I now turn to the Pioneer DJ HDJ CE1 headphones, known for their budget-friendly yet quality performance. The Pioneer DJ HDJ CE1 headphones are a great choice for beginners looking for a reliable option that doesn't break the bank. Despite their affordability, these headphones deliver impressive sound quality, durability, and comfort, making them a solid entry-level pick. The HDJ CE1 headphones feature a sleek design with rotating ear cups for easy one-ear monitoring, ideal for DJing. The sound reproduction is clear and balanced, allowing you to hear each beat with clarity. The build quality is sturdy, ensuring these headphones can withstand the rigors of regular use. Whether you opt for the wired or wireless version, the Pioneer DJ HDJ CE1 headphones offer great value for the price, making them a practical choice for those starting their DJ journey on a budget. At number 3, we have IAEI TMA 2 DJ headphones, best for modular design. With its innovative modular design, the IAEI TMA 2 DJ headphones offer unparalleled versatility and customization options for professional DJs seeking premium sound quality. The beauty of these headphones lies in their ability to adapt to different preferences and needs. Each component, from the headband to the ear cups and even the cables, is interchangeable, allowing you to tailor your listening experience to suit your unique style and requirements. Whether you prefer enhanced bass for a club environment or balanced mids and highs for studio mixing, the TMA 2 DJ headphones deliver on all fronts. The modular nature of these headphones not only allows for customization but also ensures easy maintenance and longevity. If a part wears out or if you simply want to experiment with different configurations, swapping components is a breeze. This versatility makes the IAEI TMA 2 DJ headphones a top choice for DJs who value adaptability and premium sound performance. At number 2, we have Pioneer DJ HDJ X10 headphones, best for noise cancellation. Building on the theme of premium sound quality and advanced features, the Pioneer DJ HDJ X10 headphones stand out for their exceptional noise cancellation capabilities. As a beginner DJ, having headphones that can effectively block out external noise is crucial for focusing on the music and mixing accurately. The HDJ X10 headphones not only deliver top-notch sound quality, but also ensure that unwanted background noise doesn't interfere with your listening experience. Equipped with cutting-edge noise-canceling technology, these headphones create a quiet environment, allowing you to concentrate on your music without distractions. Whether you're practicing at home, performing in a loud club, or recording in a bustling studio, the noise cancellation feature provides a clear and immersive audio environment. With the Pioneer DJ HDJ X10 headphones, you can dive into your mixing sessions with confidence, knowing that the noise cancellation will help you stay in the zone and deliver your best performance. At number 1, we have Audio-Technica 8H M50X BD2 headphones, best for on-the-go design. As a DJ constantly on the move, the Audio-Technica 8H M50X BD2 headphones excel in combining portability with exceptional sound quality and comfort for your on-the-go mixing needs. These headphones are a perfect companion for DJs who need reliable performance without compromising on sound fidelity. The 8H M50X BD2 features Bluetooth technology, allowing seamless wireless connectivity to your devices, giving you the freedom to move around without being tethered to your equipment. The on-the-go design of the 8H M50X BD2 is enhanced by its collapsible ear cups, making them easy to pack and carry in your DJ bag. Despite their compact size, these headphones deliver powerful, balanced sound with deep, accurate bass response, essential for beam matching and monitoring during performances. The comfortable over-ear design and softer pads ensure extended wearing sessions without discomfort, ideal for long gigs or studio sessions on the move. Whether you're traveling between venues, working on new mixes at a coffee shop, or practicing on the fly, the Audio-Technica 8H M50X BD2 headphones provide the convenience, quality, and portability that suit the dynamic lifestyle of a modern DJ.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.